In this video, I'll show you how to add or change a cover photo on Facebook PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for those educational guides and content studies. If you love to change or add a cover photo on your Facebook on PC, just click on this, right? Head over to your Facebook account. Right now, you can see the edit cover photo, right? If you click on it, you can either choose a cover photo, right? Let's say if you want to change it, I can just click on this to upload, right? I'm gonna click on, I can just go on here. I can just click on this, right? Click on the open. So right now I want to change it, right? Like I want to add a new one. So I think this is a new one, right? And you can basically just move it up, right? Or move it down. This is basically how you can do this. Once you're done, just click on these save changes and everything is going to work out for you well. This is basically how you can add or change your cover photo on Facebook PC. If you find this video, I appreciate your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.